Welcome to our tutorial on how to add a GIF to your photo on WhatsApp with the latest updates. Let's go through the steps together. Start by opening WhatsApp on your Android phone, providing you with the platform to enhance your photos with animated GIFs. Open the chat where you want to send the photo with the GIF, whether it's a conversation with a friend, family member, or a group chat. Capture a new photo using the camera feature within WhatsApp, or choose an existing photo from your device's gallery to use as the base for your creative expression. After selecting the photo you want to enhance, tap on the sticker icon located at the top of the screen to access the stickers and GIF options. Tap on the GIF icon at the bottom of the screen and choose the animated GIF you want to add to your photo. This allows you to personalize your image with a touch of animation. Once you've selected the desired GIF, tap the send arrow icon at the bottom right of the screen to send the photo with the added GIF to your chat, making your conversation more engaging and lively. By following these steps, you can easily elevate your photos on WhatsApp by incorporating animated GIFs, adding a fun and dynamic element to your messages. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in demonstrating how to add a GIF to your photo on WhatsApp with the latest updates. Start sharing your animated creations with your contacts and make your conversations more vibrant and expressive.